My hair just drives me nuts, and that's the fact, which is why we are so glad to be here today, to be with the brand Surabhyama D. Wills, because they are all about nice, shiny, healthy hair that actually does listen to you, which is not what my hair does. But that's why we are thrilled to be here today. And of course, the brand is, of course, sort of all about health, but also about fabulous style, which I'm going to talk to you more about.
So what we've, together with Fyama De Wills, put together here today is 6 fabulous hair trends for the season, combined with 6 styling looks that you can take cues from. Let's start the show and take our cues for no matter what kind of hair we have.
Dirty hair day secret. Take your hair up with these little pins in, and that's it, just done, right?
And what's great about this look, basically we call it the bejeweled updo. What's fabulous is that this season we have lots of hair accessory possibilities. So when you do have a bad hair day, as Nandini just said, what you need is a little bit of accessorizing, and you're set with a lovely updo.
Plus, I would think that white really works for this look too, right? It's the whole easy, sort of easy chic hair, very, very simple, and with white it just makes the whole look really come together.
The thing with braids is that the more the merrier.
Change your sort of entire face. It can make your face look thinner, rounder, longer, whatever you want.
Fringe can actually help you camouflage, your face shape. Some days you can pull off a very Audrey Hepburn sort of a side swept look and give yourself that kind of an angular shape, or you can go very, very futuristic if you really sort of cut it very short.
However, it's just so much sleeker, sexier, and the trick to it is to really pick up really thickish sections and not to trim every little inch one by one, and that's what looks absolutely beautiful on you.
I think this is something I'm doing for the first time, sporting a hairstyle. But I think this is absolutely stunning, and I think this is very necessary for a very bad hair day. You can just mess it up and go wherever you like. I think Pisilia has put together my very uncurly hair together, and I think this is quite a bohemian look as it is. I'm excited, I'm very happy today because this is something I'm doing for the first time, and all my friends are here, I can see them smiling and doing. So I hope this is I have not put them down.
Look is that you can actually take it to work, you can take it to lunch, you can take it to a sort of dinner party, cocktail party. How? With the shoes and with what you're wearing as your sort of jewelry. Add higher heels and you're all set for a great night out, it actually makes your face look a lot sharper because it brings sort of attention to your cheekbones here, and that's what makes it look really sharp.
It
And
also sort of pulls up your eye area, so if there are any slight hints of wrinkles.
anti-aging tricks of totally sort of dazzles in this dress. I think A is the sort of color, right? Purple is all about queens, it's all about being sort of royal. I love this look. I think it's very Hollywood and it's super, super glam.
Leading behind these stunning looks, can we have on stage Priscilla Connors? Thank you, Priscilla. Thank you so much for these looks.
Enjoyed being part of the Fiamma Jewels group. When Saheli, the brand PR, first approached me and she reiterated her vision to me and, you know, talking about innovation and expertise-led innovations, it quite gelled with my way of thinking. So what we try to do here this evening is essentially innovate in terms of working with different eras of styling, taking the staples of different eras, combining it and creating new looks.